down inside of here.
Oh my God.
But the momentum was I'm getting out of the car. Wait. But then they were caught, so I don't know how it happened.
So how did you bruise your leg?
They were caught. Well, the door, I was getting out. So I went like this, but this wouldn't go, so I braced the car. I don't know, it closed on my leg. And I'm like, this. And then I couldn't go because these were still in here. I don't know.
Wait, that's how you got the bruise? You closed the door to your leg?
Yeah,
That's what the bruise is from?
Yeah. So I'm going like this, and these things wouldn't let loose, and then I had that. Oh, look, see? Oh, it must have been this side. Look. So,
I thought the bruise was from this, coming out this way and going like that. Bruise. Because that's what I do. I go like this. I just go.
It's a reenactment.
I just get out.
You see that?
Like I'm coming off a
you see that
water
bruise?
slide.
You see that bruise?
right on the...
Oh, shoot, my friend!